as a union member myself, I remain a member of the NUJ. I personally have taken part in collective action. And that belief in the power of trade unions was instilled in me through having not one, but two parents who were national union presidents. I may have stood on picket lines with some of you in the past. Plaid Cymru has stood with educators, with health and care workers, transport staff, and others to take a stand for fairness, for dignity, and for the sake of a sustainable future for our public services. And now that I am in the privileged position of being your Prif Weinidog, your First Minister, it is my duty to remember the lessons that I have learnt from that solidarity, as well as my own personal experiences and my values. Now, the trade union movement understands workers better than any policy maker. Industry and public services are your hinterland, and I'll be inviting you always to guide me through it as we foster an even stronger working relationship over the next 4 years. You represent the organised voice of working people across our nation. You fight for fairness, for dignity, for respect. And I want to be as clear as I can from the outset. Those values are not only shared by my government, they are embedded in the programme that we have been elected to deliver.